Hello. Today I'm gonna present you original, they say, Xiaomi Mijia stainless steel nail clipper. I already open. So I think this MGZD ZGD 001 QW is the model. Okay, I think this is fabricated in the 09/2020. Okay, as you can see, I have a nail to cut. Okay, it's kind of nice. I have another objects from Xiaomi, including this phone. This is not free. From 2 or 3 years ago. Very nice phone. Okay, we have here abrasive plate, which is quite nice. It seems that have some model. That's nice. I think this is not perfect. It is in left side. I see some problem, but there is not. Okay. It's not coming out. It is. Okay. No marking. Not even this sign, Mijia sign. It is nice build. Okay. Sorry, tested outside the camera. It's cutting very good, actually. Very good, very nice, and is not is cutting very good because it's not leaving any abrasive on the edge. Okay, and abrasive plate is very nice. I purchased from AliExpress with $3 US dollars. Okay, in November 2021. It's taken approximately 2 or 3 months to come to Romania in Europe. Okay, I recommended that. If it's still available, I'll post in comments link from seller. That's it. Thank you. Okay, this is the second part of the nail clippers. is cutting very good. Actually, I have some clipper from Romania, which I buy it for approximately $2 or $3, and it's not cutting like this one. I can show you this this cutting is this from right is coming not like this, is coming below the left one, okay, and this actually making cutting very nice. It's very tiny, up way below 1 millimeter, the surface here, this surface, okay, it's very tiny, but it's cutting very nice, very nice. And they say in the product page that is anti-splashing, meaning because it has this design, nail, when you cut it, is not flying around, you know, and they are stay in here. I can show you. I have only 2 nails right now. Okay, I'm making more cut. Okay, and they are all here. Very nice design. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, I recommend you 100%. This is very nice clipper. Okay, that's it. Bye.